Please ensure you have your mask on at all times during the show. Okay, I will be repeating this during the show because this is a mask mandatory area. So once again, please have your mask on throughout the show. Having said that, please refrain from eating and drinking as well. Number 2, this is a bird show, so we will be having some birds that will be flying around. Alright, so for your safety and the safety of our birds, I will need your full cooperation. Please remain seated during the show as well. Alright, is that okay with all of you? Please give me a thumbs up if you are. Thank you so much for your kind understanding. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the music because it's showtime! Journey to the wonderful and colorful world of birds. Now we hope to leave the show feeling amazed by bird conservation champions and be inspired to take actions for our feathered friends across the world. So speaking of feathered friends, you can see one of them on stage earlier on, right? Right now. So that is Charlie, our bite-down rooster. Okay, it looks like he's heading back. So we're going to carry on with the show, right? So right now, we will be highlighting the natural behaviors of macaws. Now in the wild, macaws love to climb your trees to feast on fruits and nuts. Okay, before we invite the birds to join us on stage, I will need everyone's cooperation to remain seated once again. Alright, coast is clear. Now everyone keep your eyes right behind you. Let's welcome Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. There he is. Okay, welcome for joining from our once again. We have Adrian, our sky macaw. So the macaws like this can be found in the jungles of South America. Now let's go back to Gaia, our hyacinth macaw, the bluebird right over there. So did you know hyacinth macaws are the largest species in the parrot family? So if you love to see these beautiful and colorful birds, please do head on down to the parrot paradise, okay? So now what happens after feasting? These birds often fly over to rocky surfaces just like these to lick up a plate or chalk. And this will help them in the digestion of any unripe farm fruits or nuts that they have eaten. So now, both of them are still right over there, but not to worry, this will definitely be his final stop. Oh, nice music. Hi, Sinian, who's that?
Hi Sabrina, hi everyone. This is Ippy, the scarlet macaw, and Ippy is Jurong Golf Park's Go Green for Wildlife Ambassador. Ippy here is so environmentally conscious that if he sees litters lying around, he will pick it up and throw it into the correct bin.
Wow, we're actually saying a bird can recycle? That's quite impressive. Okay, oh Sinian, look, I've got 3 kinds of recyclable trash right here. So I've got this metal can, plastic bottle, and also a paper carton.
Okay, so to prove this to all of you here, I have a recycling bin for paper, metal, and plastic.
Perfect! Now everyone, let's see how is Ippy going to recycle. Okay, come on. Go. Look at that, he's going for the paper carton first.
Well done, Ippy! You have 2 more liters to go.
Okay, so let's see. Alright, the next one is the metal can.
Good job! That was easy peasy. Now you have 1 more liters to go.
Yes. Put it in. Put it in. Ippy, you got the right bin. You just got to put it inside here. Come on. Oh, I think I know why. Sinian, Ippy is having trouble to reach the top of the bin.
Not to worry, Sabrina. Ippy here has his own cute little stool. Why don't you pass it to him and see what he does?
Wow, Ippy knows how to use a stool. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna put this here for you. Oh, look at that. He takes the stool. He places it right in front of the bin. Well done. Let's pass it like this plastic bottle.
Look at that! Ippy steps on a stool and he recycles! Very impressive! So plastic waste have invaded our waters to the extent it kills over 1 million birds and animals every single year. Plastic found in animal habitat can harm wildlife when they consume them, or they can even get entangled in them. For this reason, plastic waste are known as the deadliest monster.
Oh no, the deadliest monsters indeed. Now ladies and gentlemen, we believe that Ippy here has set a very good example for all of us, okay? So everyone, let's do our part. Please bring our litters right to save wildlife and fight these deadliest monsters together. So thank you very much, Sinian and Ippy! Alright, so another friendly reminder to all of you once again. I still do see some masks down. Please ensure you have your mask on at all times during the show, right? Please put on your mask, thank you very much. And refrain from eating and drinking as well, okay? Alright, so now the next 2 birds joining us on stage are often mistaken as hornbills. So if you're wondering what birds they are, everyone just keep your eyes right there. Let's welcome our beautiful birds. Can you see them? We've got one of them really joining us on stage. Hello, good morning to you. Come on. Okay, so now ladies and gentlemen, meet our Coco Toucans. Okay, for those of you taking pictures, please turn off the flashlight. Thank you very much. Okay, so these are the Coco Toucans. Hello. Now Coco Toucans are the largest in the toucan family, easily recognizable by their bright and orange bill. Hello. You missed the spot. Your landing spot is right here. Okay, not to worry, Hazira, yeah. Okay, so these birds again found in South America. They are the largest, like I mentioned. So to differentiate them, they've got very bright orange bills. Okay, so despite having large bills, these birds are very agile in flight. So to demonstrate that in a very short while, I will be tossing up a fruit each for one of them. Okay, especially the one right over there. So let's see if they can catch it. Okay. Okay, by the way, this is Mrs. Axel, that is Mr. Axel. They are our husband and wife team. Okay, Mr. Axel, can you please join your wife for the show? Very distracted bird today. Okay, so let's get him on my hand. Come, Mr. Axel. You gotta do your routine. Come on. Okay, never mind. Come on, my hand. Right here. Okay. So I'm just going to put Mr. Axel there first. And then we're going to get Mrs. Axel to join us as well. Okay, by the way, Mrs. Axel is actually one of our oldest living total toucan right here in Jurong Park. Good. Sorry about that. Okay, why don't you sit here and look pretty? We're going to get Mr. Axel to catch, okay? The fruit. Let's see what fruit do I have with me today. Okay, I've got juicy little babes. Okay, so I'm going to toss this up for Mr. Axel. Let's see if he can catch this, okay? One treat for himself. Okay, are you ready? Come on. The count of 3. 1, 2, 3, up it goes. There you go. That was a great catch. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you are very lucky to see these birds up close. But the population numbers of toucans are declining in the wild due to poaching and deforestation. So please do your part for your local conservation efforts, okay? Now it's time for these beautiful birds to head back home. So who wants to go home first? Okay, I really got a volunteer. Mr. Axel went back home. Mrs. Axel, you want to pull your husband? Come on. Before he locks you up. Our lovely total toucans, ladies and gentlemen. Parrots from other animals is the ability to copy sounds. And they do this in the wild for social communication. Thank you, Siti. So, the yellow-naped Amazon parrot right here is famous for its ability to copy human sounds, okay? So why don't all of you get your video cameras ready, okay? Before that, let me get myself in position and let me get the microphone on so that all of you will be able to hear. Okay, we're going to start with something simple. You want to say hello? Good, nice and sweet hello. Okay, I'm going to get him to introduce himself first, okay? So can you please tell them your name? Amigo! Did you catch that? His name is Amigo. We're going to hear this one more time, okay? What's your name? Amigo! There you go, Amigo, it is. Alright, now Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? He's asking how are you? So for Amigo, if you're feeling good, give him a thumbs up. Did you see that, Amigo? They're all feeling great today. Okay, we're going to move on. Okay, now Amigo here is very smart. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A perfect 10. Oh, I see someone joining us on stage. Oh, I remember him. Now, ladies and gentlemen, meet Victor, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Okay. So in fact, Big John here was actually a full-grown adult when Jurong Park opened in 1971. So he's actually one of our pioneers of bird show. Did you know Big John here is over 50 years old? 50, that's right. So Big John can do some mimics as well. Let's see if he's interested to do for us that today. You want to start with something simple as well? Say hello. Hello. Oh, nice and sweet hello. tired. Okay, I'm going to carry on with Amigo, alright? Okay, so Amigo, let's continue. So Amigo here can count in a second language as well, okay? So Amigo, this time around, can you please count in Chinese?
二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十。
很好 is very good in Chinese. Okay, someone has been trying to get my attention by keep saying hello. Okay, yes, we're gonna move on back to you, okay? Let me say hello again. Say hello. Okay, let's try some other mimic, shall we? You wanna do the chicken? No, the chicken. Big John, that's your call. The chicken. Chicken. Okay, let's try some of the sound. How about your laugh? How do you laugh? Oh, you're being rude. Why are you turning around? Say goodbye. Come on, how do you laugh? Okay, now how is about your cough? No, it's not time for you to go home yet. Why are you saying goodbye? How about your cough? Cough. So ladies and gentlemen, through those 50 years, Big John here only learned how to pick up 5 sounds, okay? Which is hello, the laugh, the cough, the chicken, and also bye-bye. Now one thing about birds like Big John right here, they also love to scream their heads off as well, okay? I'm actually quite surprised it's quiet right now. One more time, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let's give it up for Big John, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you later on, okay? Bye. Thank you very much, Wally. Sorry about that. Okay. Amigo, finally, you can focus. Let's go back to the center. Okay, so, now like I was saying earlier on, he's going to sing current live, which means a guest comes to visit. Okay, so Amigo, you ready? Can we sing in Mandarin? 1, 2. Hey. What's happening there? You got distracted by Big John, okay? So you see, ladies and gentlemen, this is actually happening live, okay? I'm not a ventriloquist. Amigo, I need you to focus. We're going to sing right now, alright? We're going to try this. There you go! Good line, word for word. Well done. Now the second song originates from Indonesia called Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Are you ready? This is his favorite song. So Amigo, let's sing Rasa Sayang.
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, di hati rasa sayang, sayang.
Hey! Rasa Sayang by Amigo. Finally, last song is an English song. But before Amigo starts to sing, can I find out anyone who is celebrating a birthday today? I'm going to start with this section. Any birthdays in the crowd? Okay, once again, I still don't see masks on. I need all of you to ensure you have your mask up. Okay, the 2 ladies out of there, please ensure you have your mask. Thank you very much. Any birthdays? Okay. No, it's not. Don't be shy. I'm going to ask your age. Okay, go 1 so far. Anyone else on this side? No, what about the center section? Birthdays? All of them. Okay, you got 2, 3. Anyone else? 4. Another young man. 5? Oh no, Daddy says no, not your birthday. Okay, 4, 5. Okay, I see you. Okay, last section birthdays. I see someone raising all the Okay, for the 5 of you, I hope I did not miss out on anyone else. Now, Amigo, can we sing them a special song?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, and thank you so much for celebrating your birthday right there in the Macaw. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Amigo here is 1 in a million. It takes lots of years and dedication to do what he just did. So now imagine the disappointment cat owners will face if they end up with a bird just like Big John. You see, they're very quiet, or can get extremely loud, disturb your sleep, and even your neighbors as well, okay? Alright, so I believe Amigo, you have done a fantastic job for all of us today. It's time for you to head back home. Before that, can everyone wave? Okay, oh my god, he's really waving. you might be tempted to get yourself a pet parrot, but do keep in mind that these birds, they are very hard to upkeep. And they even know to live as long as you and I, up to 80 years old. So please do think twice or even thrice before getting yourself a pet parrot, okay? Alright, so another reminder, especially for those who just joined us, please ensure you are seated. Okay, we will be having some birds that will be flying. This is for your own safety and the safety of our birds as well, right? So, the next two birds joining us on stage are going to show us how loving hornbills can be. If you're ready, keep your eyes right there. Let's welcome Vicky! Hi, this is Vicky. So Vicky here is a great high hornbill. Now when the female hornbill wants to nest, they will for cavities or holes in trees. Now right here in Jurong Park, we have successful breeding programs for our hornbills. Now this is because we give them nest boxes, which is very similar to that nest box right over there. So I'm going to allow Vicky to go over to check out the nest box. So before that, she's going to fly over to trainer Hazira. People around her, please remain seated. No sudden movements. Do not attempt to touch the bird as well, okay? Alright, you ready? You want to fly over to Hazira? Alright, so people around her, you can have a better view. Once again, Vicky here is a great high hornbill. So whenever Vicky is ready, she's going to fly over to check out her nest box. Okay, the young man behind, please do not do that to frighten our bird. Thank you very much. Okay, Vicky, are you ready? You want to fly over your nest box right over there? Okay, so I think what she's doing right now, she's checking out her surroundings first, making sure it's very safe for her to fly over. Vicky, nest box is right here. Next box is to your right. You see that hole? You want to do your cute little hop? You want to hop? No? You still checking if the area is safe? I think it's quite safe, Vicky. Let's just give it some time, okay? When we are working with birds, we need lots of patience. Oh, look at that. Okay. She's checking out the inside. Now only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. How do you think, Vicky? Oh, okay, good. In she goes. So once inside, the female will seal herself using soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings. Now the hole will only be big enough for her beak to stick out. So Vicky, if you like the nest box, you can seal it up now. That was fast. Vicky, are you still inside? There she is! Alright now, ladies and gentlemen, please keep your eyes right behind you. Once again, let's welcome Sunny! Jurong animal icon! Another great high hornbill. So this is what happens in the wild. The female stays beside, the male will have to feed her. Now this will go on for 3 to 4 months until the eggs are hatched. After which, mother and child will leave the nest. Now right here in Jurong Park, we have been successful in breeding orange-type hornbills using nest boxes just like these. And thanks to your contribution to our conservation fund, we have successfully released these birds into nature reserve and also right here in the bird park itself. So while you're walking around the park, keep your eyes out, alright? You might be able to spot some pretty flying orange-type hornbills. Okay, oh, hi Sharia. Kisha's on stage with our Sunny down. Look at that. Here he comes. What happened? We're going to try this one more time. Much better. Let's get up for hornbills, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so here's another reminder to all of you once again. Please have your mask on at all times. Okay, thank you very much. Alright, now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight, okay? So we'll be needing volunteers. Now if you want to volunteer, just remain seated. Raise your hands to get the attention of the trainers that are coming towards your section. Okay, so we've got Hazira, center we've got City, on my right we've got Singen. Get the attention of the trainers. Please do not run towards them. And also look at the bird's strong wings as they fly past this culture to see through branches and trees in the rainforest of South America. Unfortunately, their birds are losing their hope at a rate of 1 football field a day due to human design. All say these beautiful birds by simply practicing the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Okay? Once again, I need all of you to remain seated. Thank you very much. Let's just wait for the lady and her daughter to sit down. Okay. Alright, hoops are good to go. And off goes Kaya. Off goes Vega. Beautiful Papa Vega and Kaya. Now strong wing flaps, long tail feathers, sharp eyesight. This helps these birds to be very agile and maneuverable in flight. So to demonstrate that next these birds will be taking off from 2 different ends of the stage and will be meeting each other at the center hoop. Center volunteer, keep your hoop straight and steady. Very good. Alright, hoops are good to go once again. Is Kaya ready? Okay. Ready and go! Thank you, Madhwani and Kaya. Okay, Vega is one hand because he's the one final practice. Okay? You can pass it to the volunteer. You got a challenge for Vega? What's the challenge? Don't break the rules! He's gonna fly to there. Oh. Wow. That's a small hoop. Are you sure? Okay. Ready? Lift off. There you go. You can fly right there. Bye. Okay. So two of us joining us on stage. Now, Macaws are known to gather food for the young, especially during nesting season. Right now, we'll have a little competition between two birds. All of you will be their supporters, okay? So I'm going to separate the group into half. From the center to this side, you will be cheering on for Corky, our scarlet macaw. The rest of you, will be cheering for Barry, our green wing macaw. Okay, so like I said, all of you are supporters, right? To support the birds, I need all of you to clap your hands and stomp your feet as loud as you can, okay? We're going to try this together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Save your energy for the minute and try to be louder later on, right? Now let's have the birds to the table. So what I have right here is a hollow tree trunk. What these the birds have to do is gather for fruit each. Supporters, remember to make some noise. Birds are ready. Let's go! About it. What happened to Betty? What? It's just a warm up. Did I not say? Oh, actually, didn't. That was actually the actual game, okay? Alright, we want one more, okay? Let's ask Coffee. Coffee, should we give a second chance? He's saying no. Coffee, you're so mean. Okay, never mind. I'm going to ask the audience for you, James, okay? How do you think Barry Kane should get a second chance? Clap your hands. Okay, majority of the hands are up. Let's give Barry here a second chance. Barry supporters, maybe just try to cheer more louder. It will motivate the birds to run faster, okay? Alright, once again, 4 fruits on each side of the table. Okay, birds are ready. Let's go! Tap, tap, No walking, okay? Now not to worry, we believe that Barry here is trying his very best. Just needs a little bit more practice, okay? Let's get up for Barry Parker, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, now in a very short while, we will be having our grand finale. So just a gentle reminder, remain in your seats and have your mask on at all times as well. I'm pretty sure that our birds in the show they have amazed you and even made you laugh as well. But please do not forget the bird conservation champions that you have met today. Now we can all help these birds by simply purchasing paper or woods coming from recycled sources so that less of their forest homes will be destroyed. Now you and I, we have the power to choose what we buy, so let us all make the right choice and make a difference for our feathered friends today. Now, looks like we are all set to go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for grand finale, we will be having lots of birds on stage. Now let us get started. First up from Amigo, here comes our great one, Amigo. Next up to the land down under, our Australian pelican. And let's travel to Eastern Europe and welcome our Dalmatian pelican. Back to Africa, birds with their long and sexy legs, super all above the world. Keep your eyes right there. Here comes our greater flamingo. From the other Hornbill like at Jurong house, please to continue to enjoy your day. But before you leave, please take a look around you and take all your belongings with you. Alright? Thank you and bye!